Let's walk through the process of making your very own SVG in Canva in hopefully 60 seconds or less. Go to canva.com, click Create a Design. I like to choose t-shirt because it's a good size. Use templates to get started. Even better, go to Elements and use Search to find what you want. No matter what you search, make sure to click Graphics, then click the filter. Make sure to click Static and Free if you want to sell this SVG. Apply. Make a design using those elements that you like. Try to narrow it down to as few colors as possible. Then when you're done, click Share, Download, SVG, Transparent Background, Download. Then you're going to want to download this wonderful program for free. Once you've downloaded it, right-click the design you made earlier and click Open with Inkscape. It looks complicated, but don't worry, it's not. First, you're going to want to zoom in. Look for these tiny little superfluous lines that you're not going to want your Cricut to cut and delete them. One section at a time, drag over, right-click, and click Ungroup. Repeat that process till every layer is a path. This for part 2.